in the eyes. I can tell you will always be danger. We had it tonight. Why did you leave it open? Tell me I'm alive. Well, this is never gonna go our way. If I'm gonna have to guess what's on my mind. The valley of your heart, the sun rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke underneath around your neck. And I find strength and pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's called again. So make your silence call, sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be. Come on back. And in time, this one reminds the other apart. Life is much too fast to hold on to. How am I losing you? A broken heart.